Alright, so this is a 2007 SAAB 9.3 1.9 TID that my brother got for my nephew as his first car. Had a few issues with DPFs and EGRs and all sorts, so as part of that, because it's a near 20-year-old SAAB in Australia, it was a bit hard to get it fixed properly, so ended up having to blank the EGR, and he blanked it with this soft alloy plate, which as you can see has turned into a soft alloy taco, and it started chooching soot everywhere. You see it's pretty thick over back of the engine. This is after we've cleaned it, by the way. You still a wee duck pond of water in there. So we replaced that completely pointless alloy plate with a steel one and an alloy plate together, and a load of, what do we use? A load of gunk, extreme heat metallic repair paste, so hopefully that'll keep some of our boost pressure in and stuff. So yeah, we'll swap that over, clean it up best we can, and go for a wee drive. How's being a diesel engineer working out for you, Patrick?
Not good.
What's over there? Oh yeah, good job.
I'm already in it.
You don't even fit, man.
I do.
Oh, come on, let's go finish our job.
No.
We need to finish your job. That's probably enough on that bit there, mate.
Yeah, just do all down in there.
It's clean now.
I know, we'll do it all over there. Oh, just spray it, man.
Country.
Have you heard that word right?
Yes.
Yeah. Heard it too many times.
Better out than in. Oh yeah. Look at that, Patrick. We fixed it. You made a swimming pool for the ducks. When we get back to the shop, we will.
Yeah.
Oh.
See how it starts with a bit more battery. That's better, eh?
Yeah.
Put your window down there.
No, with the air.
Yeah, they're good on.
I couldn't level low, but we'll lift
Oh,
that.
yeah, well, we will.
What happens if we get soot all down the road?
Oh, look at the drive.
I think we're likely to get settled down
Yeah,
the
we might
drive.
have to water blast that in a minute.
What about the road? You'll get the water blast.
Oh, the key went through the washing machine, by the way.
Oh,
briefly.
sorry.
It's got one engine light. We've got no fuel.
Yeah, we've got 30 kilometres distance to empty.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go fill the fuel up?
Not really.
What does this car even take?
Diesel.
Should I go fill it up?
No.
It's
not terrible. I think both the front tyres look a bit flat actually.
We rolling cold?
Oh,
No.
trust
Yeah.
me.
It might take a little bit to clear it out.
Well, we're giving it a good clear, aren't we?
Oh!
Oh, for some reason it's not kicking in auto.
You're blasting stuff out the road.
Well, it's going to clear it out.
No, I know, it's on
Take it down the highway full speed.
heat.
Let me get to the highway first.
Okay, now that's better. We might actually have some air happening now.
Country.
Are we still
Oh,
that's-
Hey Dad, you're making the car dirty behind us.
that's not so bad.
Not so bad, is it?
There's soot all behind on the
See,
front.
I mean, I do have a. Oh yes, I've got that.
Jeepers.
Dad,
Got some
yes,
breakfast. Yeah, and pancakes.
No, you're imagining stuff. I locked it. So you can't use some. What? That's
Good
the
enough.
world's biggest truck.
Right, so our plate held up pretty well. It ran perfectly down to the petrol station. It's about 10 k's away we went. Put it through the car wash, put some fuel in it, and now it's kind of in limp mode. So I'm not sure what to say about that, apart from the battery was flat. It had some codes already, so we'll clear those codes out, wait for stuff to dry off, and I'm sure it'll be tip top. So there you go. That's our SAAB adventure for the day. Needs to do a bit more cleaning. Got that side clean. Work on that one, and yeah, we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.